Good morning, welcome to my kitchen. Today is kind of a spontaneous day, recording and sharing a recipe with you guys. It wasn't planned, but my daughter here, Julia, she asked me to make chocolate chip cookies today for her and her brother, and they love them. So I figure, why not? Why not share the recipe with you and have my helper here be part of it? I have all the ingredients here that I'm going to need for my chocolate chip cookies. About 150 grams of flour, which is about over 1 cup, just a tiny bit over 1 cup. Half a teaspoon of baking powder, dash of salt, 60 grams of softened butter, 110-120 grams of sugar, 110 grams of Philadelphia cream cheese, and that is about half the size of regular package of cream cheese. 1 egg, and of course the most important ingredient, chocolate chips. So now what I need to do is put the butter and sugar together and whip it. Whip it for a few minutes so it mixes really well. And after that I will put the cream cheese in it, the vanilla extract, an egg. And on the end, when it's all mixed, I'm gonna turn off my mixer and then with this spoon, just mix the flour to incorporate all together. I have mixed the butter and sugar here. Next, I will put the cream cheese in and then mix it again for a little bit. After that, the egg, and I will stop it just to show you how I mix the flour on the end with baking powder and dash of salt. I wish I could show you how I mix it all together, but it is kind of noisy and I do want to spare you the headache of that big noise. Again, I have mixed butter with sugar for a few minutes, added the cream cheese, added the egg, 1 egg, some of the vanilla extract, and now it is ready for the flour to be put in, and it's creamy. It looks like this. So baking powder, dash of salt is already mixed with the flour, so what I do now is just put it all in and slowly mix it all up. Once you see the it's all incorporated together, creamy, you can add the chocolate chip. And that's pretty much it. We have a couple of friends here come over for a play day with my children, and every time they come here they always ask me to make those chocolate chip cookies. Okay, dough is ready. Now it's time for the cookie sheets. I have my cookies ready to be baked. My girl is helping me put some chocolate chip cookies on top of some of the ones that she wants, so that's her part of doing. And what I wanted to mention is that the cookie dough is very soft and sticks to your fingers. So what I do is just have water here, dip my 2 fingers, and with this I make it kind of even it out. So that's all it takes. Just a dip in water and then your cookies are gonna be looking good. Okay, you can put the chocolate chips, baby. Put it on top, just like this. Just like this. Okay. Those are gonna be yours. We have to warm up the oven to 350 and bake those cookies for about 15 minutes. And we already have the cookie cart waiting. After cookies are ready, time for a tea party. Right, Julia? Yes. Yes. My cookies are ready. Again, 350 degrees for about 15 minutes. And the best way to know those are ready when you see this brownish color around the edges. And as you can see, half of those cookies look a little bit darker. And what I did is put some cocoa powder with sugar on top. Our friends who are coming here later on for play day, they love the chocolate flavor, so that's just the extra chocolate for them. And here, those cookies are on a plate. So next step is making tea to go with it for our tea party. Give me some cookies. Give me some cookies.